Welcome to Crack a Pack. My name is Andrew. Today we're cracking open Streets of New Capenna. Let's get cracking. Our first card today is Goldhound, followed by Most Wanted, Demon's Due, Expendable Lackey, Boon of Safety, Antagonize, Maestro's Theater, Broker's Initiate, Echo Inspector, Riveteer's Overlook, Out of the Way, Nimble Larcenist, Riveteer's Decoy, Professional Facebreaker, which for 2 and a red is a 2/3 creature with menace that reads, whenever one or more creatures you control deal combat damage to a player, create a treasure token, and sacrifice a treasure, exile the top card of your library. You may play that card this turn. So this is giving you a means to create a treasure token every turn. Because it says whenever one or more creatures you control deal combat damage, it's not going to be every creature dealing combat damage creates a treasure token. It's just going to be if you dealt combat damage with a creature, create a treasure token. So it's at most 1 per combat, but that's still pretty good. It's a different way to generate treasure. It has menace, so it's a little tougher to block. You're a little bit more likely to get some combat damage in with this. And giving you a impulsive draw, effectively, by giving up a treasure token, so it's another treasure outlet as well. It kind of gives you everything in one package. It gives you a means to generate treasures, and it gives you a different outlet for those treasures that's a good outlet too. Impulsive draw is almost as good as actual card draw. So I like this. It's probably going to see use in something. I don't know what yet. If you have ideas for where I should put Professional Facebreaker, let me know in the comments below. If you have a deck that you really like that highlights this card, let me know. Then our land is an island, and we have an Ogre Warrior token to round out the pack. And that's all for today. Thank you for cracking along with me. Be sure to check back tomorrow as we crack open another pack.